What we're wanting to cover in this segment is a trailing stop. Sometimes we use these, but most of the time we don't in our programs, but it's always good to know how it works in case that it's something that you would want to use. To place a trailing stop, you first of all have to have an order on. I've placed an order, and now we're going to right click, and it says trailing stop. Now we can set these trailing stops at any of these set points, or go down and customize it. The smallest you can set a trailing stop is 15 pips, so we'll just automatically set one. Okay, now from the time we started, it looks like it took off. I had my hard stop right down in here. As soon as that manual trailing stop triggered, it jumped it up to here. So now we're already in a positive. If the market comes back against it, it will stop there and you will be locked in at some profit. So the way it works is it goes up, it has to go up 1 pip above what you set it at. If you set it at 20, it has to go up 21 in your favor. This one we set at 15, so it had to have gone up 16 pips before it activated. Then it triggers in 1 pip above where you entered the market. This gives you a little leeway so the market has room to move. Sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's a bad thing. We use what we call a manual trailing stop, and so we will show you how to do that in our programs. And that's kind of an exciting feature. I've had some people say, I've never ever known how to get out of a trade as easily and with less emotion and stress as using the manual trailing stop. And I've talked to people and they said, well, I want to get into the trade, but I don't know when to get out. I think I'll get out right here. Well, I said, well, do the indicators tell you to get out? And they says, no. Well, then stay in. And it almost doubled the trade, so they had some signals to get out. You've noticed that as we've been talking, this this trailing stop keeps on moving up. And we've made a decent profit on this trade. So you can see that if it comes back now, we've locked in a profit. That's how a manual trailing stop works. You've seen it kind of move along as I've been talking. I was talking a little longer so you could see it move. So anyway, this is how it works. Use it if it's something that fits your needs, but a manual trailing stop is what we show you in the program. Talk to you later. Bye.